So you might be having an issue on your Google Pixel or any Android phone out there where the Wi-Fi just keeps disconnecting. Now what does this mean? Well, basically on your Android phone, you could be running into this weird problem where your Wi-Fi, it seems like you're connected, but it just keeps like removing you from that specific Wi-Fi connection. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is making sure that within your Wi-Fi connection, you're pretty close to the router and you're not extremely far. If you're having Wi-Fi problems, it could be because you're very far from where the Wi-Fi router is. If you can see, like with my Wi-Fi signal, you can see it's going up and down. If it's like at 1 bar or something like that, you're probably better off even using data. So that's probably one of the issues that you can probably run into. So that in and of itself is a really big thing to keep in mind. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, another thing you can try doing is just making sure that you don't have a specific setting under Wi-Fi, which is like avoiding weak Wi-Fi connections. So I think it's like adaptive connectivity. So sometimes, as you can see, it says like it extends battery life and improves device performance by automatically managing your network connection. Sometimes this will go ahead and disconnect you from, bad Wi-Fi connections to connect to cellular. If you just turn this off, it'll usually just keep the same Wi-Fi connection over and over again. It's either this option, it might look a little bit different on some other, devices out there, but that's another option that you have there too. On top of that, if that's still not working, you may want to go and just restart your phone. It could really be as easy as that. So hold down the buttons that you normally would of restarting your device. Go ahead and click the restart button. Allow your phone to basically restart. It could take a couple of minutes. And from there, that phone may end up fixing itself, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. If that's still not working, you can always make your way over to your system settings. So scroll down into system right here. Go and click on system update. And all you're going to have to do is update your device. And if you're able to update it, that can probably end up fixing the problem too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.